guys, welcome back to my channel Escape English. Today I come with an excellent topic. The topic name is Never Judge a Book by its Cover. You know guys, this is the thought of our great personality of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. According to Dr. Kalam, never judge a book by its cover. If you are judging a book by its cover, then you would be cheating yourself. You know guys, if you should open the book page by page, then you can learn different kind of lesson. You can improve your knowledge. You can improve your mentality. You can be broad-minded. If you should judge a book by its cover, then you may be cheat yourself, and a blindfold may come to your eyes. So I would like to tell you that always we should be inquiry, or you should be think about the internal quality of the things, and properly we should judge. Then we should learn and gain the knowledge. So I would like to tell you the same thing happen in our day-to-day life. When we judge a person by its outside appearance, then we cheat ourselves. Suppose you are making friendship with someone and who is looking very handsome, who has good bikes and who has good appearance and who has good gesture, posture, but they are mentally very bad. Their character is bad, their attitude is bad, their manner, behavior, everything is bad. Then you think that, and how can you be friend of that kind of people? So you would be cheat yourself. I would like to tell you that always we should query about the internal quality of a person before friendship with them. So you should understand a person have character or not, a person have good nature, manner, behavior or not. So if their internal quality is better, then that man is better. If their external quality is better, that man is not better. I would like to tell you that many great men are there in our country, like Mahatma Gandhi and like Subhash Chandra Bose and Gopabandhu Das. Then you might have known they are looking very simple from outside, but internally they are very broad-minded. Their character, manner, behavior, gesture, posture, attitude, everything was better, and their heart was so nice. So that's why Abdul Kalam said, never judge a book by its cover. In the time of your marriage ceremony, that's sometimes what happened. Some people look about the beautiful appearance of a girl, of a boy. So I would like to tell you that they are selecting the life partner by their outside appearance. They never judge their character, their academic career, their nature, manner, behavior, their family background, and they only focus on their asset, money, bank balance, and vehicles, etc. So by this way, they cheat themselves in future. So I would like to say that we should not be judge a person by their outside appearance. Always we should judge a person from their character, from their internal quality, from their behavior, from their heart, from their simplicity, from their honesty, from their humanity. So I would like to tell you that always we should mentally broad, we should be positive minded, we should be broad minded, and so that we can get success in our life. Otherwise, anywhere, in any time, we can be cheat ourselves. So guys, remember, never judge a book by its cover. Thank you. Have a good day.